Grains are used from the first to the last course in the Greek kitchen. This is barley rusks called Dako. It's very hard. So you have to get it soft. I'm gonna dip it just in a little bit of water. And you wanna let the last drops run off. This will be the base of my salad. I'm halving my tomatoes. I want all of that great tomato juice in here. That's actually gonna help soften the rusks even more. A couple of celery stalks. Add a nice grassy, fresh note to this. I love to add mint to this dish because it just brightens everything up and it's a really wonderful herb to enjoy fresh. The next thing that goes in here are my capers, and I'm just gonna add those whole. So the green apple is totally my addition. The apple just adds this beautiful, refreshing note. You wanna add the apple really right before you're about to serve it so that it stays nice and green. And I like to grate it. It goes really nice with the celery. That's a classic combination. Right into my salad. The next thing I'm gonna get in here is a little bit of feta cheese. I'm just gonna crumble this right into my bowl. I'm gonna add my extra virgin Greek olive oil. A little bit of salt. I'm just gonna toss all this together. Look at these beautiful, vibrant colors. The rusks are all the more better with just a little bit of olive oil on them. I'm just spooning this beautiful mixture on here. I have to try some of this. This is wonderful. It's so substantial, yet so simple. This is what whole grains are really all about. Earthy, robust flavors, wholesomeness, but something that's really delicious.